I don't know who needs to hear this, but if you're a chiropractor and you're still leasing your space, you're building your landlord's wealth, not your own. With an SBA 504 loan, you can buy your building with as little as 10% down, fixed rate financing, and even funds for upgrade or tenant improvements. And if you lease out part of the space, that rent can help cover your mortgage. You've invested in your practice. Now it's time to invest in building wealth for yourself too. DM me the word SPINE to 818-430-8497, and I'll send you a quick breakdown of how it works.